Hello, Dallas. Good evening. This is Anu from iAsia News. Thank you so much for joining such a beautiful evening here in Aditya Center, Plano, Dallas, Texas. And today we witnessed another successful event, Support a Child. Every year that we witness different team coming from all the way from India or local. This is really heartwarming experience for witnessing all of this one. So today I'm here to introduce the wonderful team. As you can see in a beautiful dress, they performed Ram Ratan Dhan Payo, and to lead that all the way from Mumbai, Sonia Persere is here, who is the lead and the director of the show, and it's really pleasure having you. Thank you so much for joining. Tell me, how does it feel? How is Dallas, and how the response of the community of our Dallas really felt like?
Namaste. Yeah, it was fantastic coming to Dallas, and the response was wonderful. And I was hearing so many things about Dallas. And firstly, ऐसा लगा कि जैसे हम लोग इमोट कर रहे थे, तो हर एक इमोशन को अच्छे से रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है. एंड एवरीबडी वाज विथ अस.
Even the hosts were really kind.
And the host was really kind. They took very good care of us. And so all my artists were really happy. And they were eager to perform in Dallas because so many my friends also, Maharashtrian people also are here. And overall the experience was excellent for this program. So I will be really thankful, and I would thank VHP and SSC that they gave me this opportunity to visit so many cities. This is 20th, and we visited all cities. Everywhere the response was immense.
I'm not surprised.
Everywhere the response was great.
Right.
Not just Dallas, but everywhere.
Right. So
great response.
The wonderful part about this one is you did mention in the beginning saying that you were allowed to have only 6 people coming here. And one of the amazing, the mesmerizing experience seeing is all of you playing in a different role, and it was so clear and crisp that what you were actually doing. So how did you manage to assign those?
Because the whole dance drama was based on Kathak Nritya. And Kathan kare so Kathak kahani. It's all about storytelling.
Right.
So if you tell story with pure language, it's going to affect. It's
Right.
going to reach. It's going to reach to the heart.
Yes.
So I use the Shastra of Kathak Nritya, science of Kathak Nritya. And because of that, because of all Anga Sanchalan, Bhava Mudra, Hasta Mudra, Anga Pratyanga, which is written in Natya Shastra.
Right.
So it was all based on that. And basic, it was great storytelling. That's why.
Amazing. I'm going to just let you all just say just like what all other roles other than just what you're in a costume that right now that you played in just very short, so that we all know that like how difficult it is, or how easily that you actually displayed it for us to convey the message.
Yeah, so Sonia tried awarded me with Bhagwan Ram's role. And with that I have played Dashrut and other people like normal janta, all kind of things.
General audience.
मैंने सीता का रोल प्ले किया. सोनिया ताई के पास मैं 27 years सीख रही हूँ, और मेरी गुरु है सोनिया ताई, और सीता का रोल मैंने प्ले किया.
And may I know your names also, because it's very important that people should know.
My name is Kunal Rasal.
क्षितिजा माटे.
And
So I was lucky enough to get many roles to be played. Like I'm very thankful to my guru Sonia Tai to like believe in me and thinking of me for this opportunity. I played Ravan, Bharat, Lakshman, and once Dashrath.
yes,
Thank you, Sonia Tai.
I have mainly played the role of Shurpanakha, and then I've also played Manthara, and also many many layers of citizens of Ayodhya. And I've been learning Kathak from my guru Sonia Tai for the past 20 years, and I'm Harshita Mule.
We've all been taught since childhood to play numerous roles of laymen, regular citizens, etc., etc., and eventually we upgrade ourselves to play the main roles of Kaikai, Ram, Sita, etc. So today, after 23 years, I'm playing Kaikai, and I also play certain other roles like Tratika. So I had a lot of fun performing here.
Sonia ji, one thing I'll tell you, everybody when they're speaking, they're looking at you. That shows the confidence when they see you. I think it just comes out, I guess. So
No, I think that's Guru Shishya Parampara.
absolutely, absolutely. How long did it take for all of you to practice, and how many hours?
So actually, I will say something for this because we have been doing Geet Ramayan, that is in Maharashtra. That is great literature of Marathi Gadi Madgulkar, and we are doing that ballet since from 2012.
Oh my
So it is with 35 dancers, and he's playing Ram from 2012. So so it takes actually tap.
Right,
So
absolutely.
I always say after
It's a
14 years
dedication.
completing our vanvas of, that pain that we should get the opportunity to perform right place.
It never felt like pain. It was a passion.
I'm just saying that not the
Amazing.
Yeah. So it takes so many years
Yes, yes.
to get that role, to take that all emotion inside and then express like
That's
Ram, like Sita.
Right. It wasn't easy, but I have to tell you, congratulations. It was an amazing. I have no words to say that how beautifully you all performed, and it was really. I was watching audience, and some of them literally had like when like a Ram. I was about to go to one of us. They were literally had tears in their eyes. It was that effective. So thank you so much for giving this experience for Dallas. We would love to have you back anytime. So thank you so much.
We would love to come back. Thank you.
Thank you.